Rosopl Dentures reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're shopping for dentures and you come across brand Rosopl Zero offering full sets for $49, you might think you've found a bargain, but most people get this wrong by focusing only on price and ignoring quality, fit and aftercare. Here's what to know. The site lists full denture kits at extremely low cost compared to traditional clinics which may charge hundreds of thousands of dollars. What you get: an ultra-low entry price for a denture set. The possibility of at-home order and less involvement of a dentist initially. What you give up or risk: multiple independent reviews state poor fit, low quality materials and questionable long-term use. A denture that doesn't fit properly can lead to discomfort, chewing problems or additional corrective cost. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Compare local professional denture cost. What would you pay at a reputable clinic? Step 2. Check material specs, service support, adjustment options. If the site lacks credible dental endorsements or aftercare, that's a red flag. Step 3. Estimate lifetime use. If you'll wear the set daily for years, quality matters more than lowest price. Step 4. Check return or fit policy. If the site makes it hard to adjust or return, value drops. You won't believe what happens next if you pick the cheapest kit and skippy fit checks. You end with a denture you don't wear or that breaks, so you spend more in the long run. The surprising truth: for something you rely on every day like dentures, the lowest price isn't always the smartest value. In conclusion, if you're very budget conscious and willing to accept risk, Rosopl might seem tempting but proceeds very cautiously. If you value comfort, durability and long-term daily use, investing with a trusted provider may give better value for your money. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more dental product pricing explained and what you're really paying for.